video on the way now sa Makati.
Makati!
Kwento mo pa, anong mangyayari?
So, di ba? Ay, teka, yung mic natin, gamitin natin. Today is our 10th anniversary and today din namin dinecide na i-celebrate yung wedding namin kasi kinasal kami sa States nung November. But wala yung karamihan ng family and friends namin. So, today namin siya i-celebrate. It's the first time we're celebrating na hindi kami lang dalawa. Excited ako, pero kinakabahan ako at the same time because what if may mga technical difficulty, mga ganito, ganyan. But I think I personally have just decided to go with the flow. Ikaw, Agnes, how are you feeling?
Weird kasi parang 10 years ago sa amin namin, di naman yun possible. Yung mag-celebrate with the whole families and closest friends. So this is something really nice. Ikaw, Lina, anong feeling mo?
Mananakit lang ako mamaya.
Mamayang gabi, Mama.
Ganon! Surprise!
Surprise daw. Ay, may surprise. Sa Iril. Okay, wala siya. Nag-zone out na yung kapatid ko. Okay, let's go to Makati. Right on time. Thanks, Kuya.
Ay, thank you po. Yay! Oh my gosh! Iniisip ko pa nung isang araw paano makakarating sa'yo yung invitation. Basta, wholesome table Salcedo. Yeah, kasi baka sa ibang masasabing dito.
Magta-12 na pero yung mga usually na late ay late nga. Ay, hindi tayo sabi na may dalawang table pang walanda. Ayan na yung mga late.
Uy, late ba kami? Mas late sila, Carla.
Okay. Kasi ang funny kayo talagang yung mga table na nandito.
Yung mga nasa harap yung late.
Saktong late lang.
Sobrang late lang, may mas late pa.
Saktong late lang daw sila.
Why?
Nagme-message. May message book kasi doon.
My girl is married!
Siya din eh! Wow, we're married women! Tapos ka na?
Nag-pip-pip siya.
Ala,
Tapos kasi ako kanina mga 30 seconds. Hi. Tagal.
hi guys!
Good morning, everybody. Hello. Hi.
Ayan. We just wanna welcome everyone to our wedding party part 2. And thank you for coming here kasi alam namin sa Sunday, madami sa inyo malayo pa yung pinuntahan.
Yung iba sa inyo, ito lang yung rest day in the week. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, hindi biro maglaan ng oras at bumiyahe all the way here. Yung iba galing Las Piñas. Mga taga Las Piñas, nag-iay! Thank you for being here. Meron din po palang audio dedication booth here sa gilid. Natry ko na siya kanina, medyo nakaka-pressure siya, TBH, sa totoo lang. Pero, like, we would love to hear your messages. Guys, sige na. I mean, sulitin nyo naman yung biraya namin. Sige na, just ka. Pupunta lang kayo dyan. Record a quick message, just 2 minutes. Pwede siyang love advice or something you would like to say to me or to Agnes or to both of us. We would appreciate it. Ano ba ba? Sa mga tables na may disposable camera, please gamitin po natin yan. Ubusin natin yung film, ipapadevelop po namin. After today. Yun, ano po ba?
Mas gusto lang namin yung ipag-meet yung mga taong mahal namin kasi like 10 years ago, we never thought this would be possible to have everyone here in one place and like at least to have you guys meet each other kasi sobrang iba yung noon tapos sobrang we just really feel blessed today na this is possible. So, thank you guys, let's have fun. kami nakakain. So they will make sure na we'll be able to eat. Kain yan, kakain yan.
Nakakain na talaga. For real. Okay, first question. Iniksiyan na namin sa lagay na to ah. First question is, who's more likely to cook a fancy meal?
Pero alam niyo ba, nagluto na si Pat ngayon.
Iba talaga nagagawa ng pag-asawa. Charot. And the correct answer is...
May correct answer pala.
Agnes! Who's more likely to order the same food in a restaurant? And the correct answer is... Indeed, it is me. Who's more likely to take longer to get ready in the morning? Okay, guys, iba to. Hindi siya yung typical question na tinatanong sa straight couples kasi parehas kaming babae, so sino yung mas matagal? Mukhang resounding A yung nandyan sa likod. Yan yung general vibe ng A.
Bakit? Bakit?
Bakit? Isigaw nyo.
May kwento. Sabi niya yun.
Hindi kasi, ikaw yung morning person.
Oh, sure!
Ako yung late night. Sabi ko nagigising palagi. Oh, ikaw yung lagi nag-prepare ng breakfast. Ako yung parang kasi late naman nagigising. I like na matulog ng walang alarm.
Okay, sige. Explain mo pa. Okay, next question.
Ay, hindi natin.
Who's more likely to enjoy DIY projects?
Kasi, same kay Tito Vicky, parang lagi namin nakikita, ang bilis niya ma-distract. Pinag-uusapan namin ngayon. Uy, parang may something na pwedeng ayusin, mas ayusin na niya. Tapos next thing, madidistract siya, gagawin na naman niya.
Yes, si Agnes yun. Who's more likely to take up a new hobby every month? Okay! O sige, dito, may Karen. Bakit ako?
Nakakasend mo lang sa akin ang latest crochet project mo.
Asan na? Asan na yung crochet mo, girl?
Wala! Who's more likely to fall asleep while watching a movie?
Si Daddy.
Okay. Si dad ko din. Actually, pamilya ko, feeling ko.
Kasi watch ba si Pat?
Kakasabi mo lang na buong pamilya mo ganyan eh.
Support ko na
Oo nga. Okay, mali ako dun sa part na yon. Pero yes, ako po talaga yung sagot nito. Who's more likely to be the better navigator? Okay.
Ito. Oh, walang letter P.
Walang nagtataas ng...
Bakit ayaw niyo pumusta kay Pat?
Ba't naman kayo ganyan?
Mukha pa siyang laging nawawala.
Feeling ko si Ate Agnes. Kasi may kasamang dabog vibes.
Sabi dito, yung entry ng mga kapatid ni Agnes is dahil daw mas malaki daw yung mata ni Agnes, siya daw yung better navigator. Okay.
Pero actually, alam niyo yung mga tao kaya gumawa ng map sa utak nila pag naglalakad.
So the correct answer is Agnes.
Minsan talaga pag wala yung waste, feeling ko pag walang waste, mawawala ka ngayon. As in, ganong type.
Tama. Kaya magpasalamat mo tayong lahat kay Wade. Palakpakan naman si Wade. Who's more likely to remember important dates and appointments?
Galing. Tamang-tama kayo dyan, guys.
And the correct answer is definitely
But
me.
yes.
Kasi maraming explanation yan. Tsaka weakness yung banda dyan. Okay, and that concludes our Who's More Likely to segment.
Yung kasal kasi nung last November ay ano lang namin siya, na-finalize within a month na gagawin siya. So kahit parang yung video, di namin siya inisip, parang last minute. Tapos we just asked si directly, kasi sakto, siya pala yung kasama ng band to go sa US. So sabi namin, direct, magkano bang, kasi alam namin talaga nag-wedding videography. Tama ba yung term?
Wedding videographer?
Di ba yun siya?
Oo.
Dati, parang yun yung roots niya sa pag-video. So sabi niya, hindi, gift ko na yan sa inyo. So, mapapanood natin lahat for the first time. Di pa din namin ito napapanood ever. Yung video ni Direk. Wala siya dito ngayon. Pero yes, Direk Nick, salamat.
Okay, sige.
We'll be playing it in
3,
5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Agnes, I did not ever see myself becoming a wife.
It's an honor for me to be officiating this wedding. There is no limit to love's forbearance, to its trust, its hopes, its power to endure.
I'm so happy this is really happening. I told you when you were proposing to me 2 years ago that I would love you and choose you, may kasama na wala. There are a lot of people who love us for who we truly are. And I feel that the God that I know embraces me and you for being brave with how we love each other. Our love is worth celebrate. Go ahead. I'm not sure who that is.
Thank you guys for sharing this moment with us. Okay, and with that, I think it is time for a round of toasts.
Okay, tosin natin.
So ito po yung wishes namin. Sasamahan namin kayo ng dasal at gabay sa bawat yugto ng inyong pinag-isang buhay. Para sa pinagsamang buhay,
Ina Agnes at Pat
tagay! Mahalin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. Kaya ang puso ito, mawala ko sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong
So to you guys, I wanna say happy marriage to the two of you. I wish I was there to witness it all, but regardless, I'm still happy now because I get to be a part of this section with you guys as well. I wish you guys well. I don't know what else to say, but I'm really happy, and you're pretty much one of the family because it's kind of weird to see Auntie Trisha without you because you're always together. Like the Powerpuff Girls. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Love you guys.
Si Jay meron siyang hawak na papel, pero feeling ko naiiyak yan kapag pinapractice niya. So, hindi ko Leah and Bea helped us put this all together. Obviously, hindi siya magiging maayos kung wala silang dalawa. Kaya sobrang thank you sa inyong dalawa. Thank you sobra. Okay, and ito na, Bea. I love you.
No words can express how happy I feel for the both of you. Anyway, sino ka ba? So yeah, I'm really happy for you both that you found, and you especially, Ate, na you found someone who has so much compassion for you, so much understanding and patience. No?
Okay na kaya?
Wanted to show something na nahanap namin sa baul. So for those in the back, I can read it out for you. This was her my 7th birthday, and this is the letter she wrote for me. Dear Bea, happy birthday! I hope you know how lucky you are to have a sister like me. You are funny, happy, cute, adorable, smart, a little obnoxious, but great. Great. So apparently, ito yung letters na hindi ko naman alam na nagsusumbong pa pala siya kay Santa na nag-aaway kami. Sabi niya, ayan. Bea broke my plane that you gave me. And she hit me sometimes. I always make letters for you. I am a good girl every day. I am not fighting with my sister anymore. I just wanted to share that because this is the person I grew up with. She's the person I shared my girlhood with. Ako yung kasabot niya to know kung nakauwi na ba si mom and dad. Kasi kung may date pala siya. So anyway, yeah, I'm really happy for you. You're my soulmate. And yeah, may you do everything in love. Yeah.
Morning po sa inyong lahat. Dahil marami tayong surprises ngayong umaga, nag-decide kami ni Mix na imbis na kakanta ka, magpapabring me na lang po kami. I don't wanna go another day, so I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. And I say, nobody could love me better. I must stay with you forever. Nobody could take me higher. I must stay with you.
Agnes and I grew up together as in since 10 years old or something. Talagang neneng-nene pa kami noon, ganyan. And then we fell in love together. College kami, kakamove lang yan ng Manila. Tapos ang saya-saya ko na Manila na siya kasi LDR yung friendship namin dati. Kasi ganun, we really fell in love together. Nung nanliligaw si Ana sa Agnes, nanliligaw si Pat kay Agnes. Kami ni Agnes, lagi kami nagkakaldon. Huy, tapos pag inaaway ako ni Al, pinakwento ko kay Agnes. Pag nag-aaway sa lalipan, nagkakwento sa akin si Agnes. Ganun talaga kami. Tapos natawa ako kasi I think ang nakakatawa dito, na-realize ko na si Agnes tsaka si Al, sila yung mababait sila. Sila yung, kaya ang ganda ng payo ni Agnes sa akin dati kasi naiintindihan niya si Al, pareho sila. Tapos feeling ko, helpful din yung payo ko kay Agnes kasi mas naiintindihan niya si Pat. Kasi na-realize talaga namin ni Pat, alam mo, pareho tayo, as in. Pero paminsan napapansin namin, masyado siyang mabait. Masyado siyang, mabait masyado. And with Pat, nakita namin, someone's protecting her finally. Someone is fighting for her and she's also learning herself, parang her limits, what she deserves to be happy. And we're so happy to see that. And we're so happy na kinasal na kayo and you're loudly proclaiming your love for each other. Sobrang nakaka-proud. I mean, like, pinagdaanan natin yun, yung mga medyo, hindi kami, ganyan. Pero, talaga ba? Ganon.
Thank you, Grace and Al. Mabuhay mga bagong kasal. Diyan sa kanyang likod. Yan, si Andrew! Talaga ba? Talaga? Oh my gosh! Guys, malakpakan natin si Andrew! Si Andrew yung naging flower boy namin nung wedding namin sa LA.
Erica!
Oh my gosh, Erica, yes!
Congratulations, Pat and Agnes. Sobrang happy namin that you finally went for your dream together and it's worth celebrating and you are inspiring in many ways, the both of you. And I only wish that many more couples also get to celebrate their love in the way that you do. So that is our wish. So thank you for setting that example as well for many other couples.
Kung alam mo lang kung gano'n katagal kitang hinanap.
Kung alam mo lang kung gano'n katagal kitang pangarap.
Sa wakas natapos din ang lakbay. Lahat
And then I said, how are you and Pat? And she was not, before that, I think, ready to tell us, no, that. And I remember, I said, you know, whoever you are, whatever choices you make, just remember that we love you. And I guess that's it, no? I mean, now, you made this choice. You message me, Tito, we're going to get married, etc., etc. And I was so happy. I was so happy for you. As long as you're happy, you're with Pat, Pat is happy. What else? So congratulations. I'm so happy for you both.
Sige, I think we'll just take this time, the rest of the time that we have to honor all of the guests that we have here. Thank you so much for coming.